Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with the Pokemon Pikachu ball, and we are going to build Pikachu now. So let's rip this box apart here, get into the nitty gritty of it, and build him. See how he goes. We've already built Squirtle, and now we're building Pikachu. I choose you. Yeah, okay. Like I said before, I am using these for a mock that I'm going to be making, so that's the reason I bought all these sets. Didn't buy them really for the Pokemon, although they are kind of cool. I'm not really into the Pokemon, but I will build them just because. Yes, I will build them just because. So let's see if there's a certain one I got to let's do here with this. Okay, so we put an ear there, and I think I got the ear in the wrong spot. Let's put that one there, and that one there. Here's his head. Okay. Everything's falling apart on these little creatures. Pikachu. Pikachu. I choose you. Yeah. Okay then. So it has to be this one because that's all that's left. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.